Yes, children. Now open your book, page number 74, and see. Suppose you are asked to list the words in alphabetical order. The words are ant, arms, aunt, April, all, after, axe, and. Now you have to arrange all these words in alphabetical order. But see, all the words are beginning with alphabet A. Here also, here, everywhere. So, since all the words are beginning with A, looking at the first letter, it will not be of much help to you to arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay. Why? Because all are common. A is common and everywhere it's beginning with A. So, first alphabet, if you will see, it will not help you. Now look at the second alphabet. Here it is N, R, U. Here it is N, R, U, P, L, F, X, N. Now what you have to do? First you do one thing. You write all the alphabets A to Z here. It will take hardly 1 minute. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now see the words here. What you have to do, you have to see the second letter. Second letter, now you do one thing. You start watching the second letters and see. Any second letter is of B? No second letter is of B. Fine, leave it. Then see, any second letter is of C? No second letter is of C. Leave it. Any letter is of D? D? No letter is of D. Leave it. E, no. F, see, any letter is of F, second letter, here it is. So what is the letter? This is, here it is. So you cut it here and write number 1 will be after. Okay. Now F is done. Now come to G. Any letter, second letter is G? No. H, any second letter is H? No. I, no second letter is I. J, is there any second letter? J, no. K, no second letter is K. J, K, L. L is there? Yes. This is the second letter is L. So you'll write number 2, all. Okay. And cut it here. All. Done. Now only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are left. You have to see now. L is over. M, second letter is M. No. Second letter is N. Now M is over. N. Yes, 2 are there. Ant and An. But because it has no third letter and it has third letter, so first you write third place, you will write An, and then fourth place. See children carefully. Fourth place you will write ant. Interesting, na? So cut this. An is also done. Ant is also done. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 words are left. MN is gone. P. Any word is there with P? Second letter is P? Yes. So the fifth will be P. April. Followed? Can you see? April. Now April will also be crossed. Now 1, 2 and 3 are left. Alright, fine. So P, then Q, any second letter Q? No. R is there. Second letter R. So you write sixth one is arms. Arms is also cut. Now R, S, no. T, no. U is there and U is also here. So the seventh word will be aunt. and this is done, and last is axe, so eighth is axe. Okay, so your answer will be like this. First after, first word will be after, then second word will be all, third word will be an, fourth ant, fifth April, sixth arms, seventh aunt, and eighth axe. This way I have told you the different way, but with the book it is given like this. They have written the second letters, copied the second letters, and then they have arranged it. Now they have done, but you know what happened? They have left out one word. See, their answer in the book is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have left out one word. And what is, and whereas in the question there are 8 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the book they have left out one answer, and what is that? Arms is left out. No word is written. Arms is not written. So I think this technique will be better than the technique given in the book. All right, you will follow, and this will be easy for you also. Done. Again, let's see, there is one more exercise given here. See, it is written, so we will not follow this, we will follow this pattern the way I have told you. Write all the alphabets are A to Z, and then keep saying, and write if the second letter, first letter is common, look at the second letter, and then arrange them, and as you arrange, giving the number, you cross that, you write that word and cross it. This way it will come to the this will come in alphabetical order. Now see, here it is given, you have 2 words, the second letter of which are the same. Since one of them is made up of 2 letters only, that word is put first, and the word with more than 2 letters comes next. So your list of words should be read. This is all said for this letter, this word an and ant. So we have done it. Now what happens? See, what happens if the list of words are given to arrange alphabetically, all begins with the same 2 letters. When there are same 2 letters, then you will see the third letter. All right, the third one. This one we will see. And then we will do in the same way. Let's start. Let's see what to do. Now again you will give the number. See, A, no third letter is A, no third letter is B, no third letter is C. A is there. Okay. Third letter is A. So what you will write? First place, you will write C. Clear? Now second place, you will cut it like this, and then write number 2. Now A is done, B is there, third letter. Now you have to see the third, because first and second letters are common. So you will see the third letter. A is done, B is not there, C is there. Yes, C is there. No, third letter you have to see, na? C is there. This is the third letter. So C is there. So second word will be second. Followed? Now cross this also. Now C is done. D, no, E is there. So you'll write, cross this also, and write third will be C. Now what is left? 1, 2, 3. E is done. F, G, see here, G, H, see here, H, I, J, K, L. See, L is here. Third letter is L here. So we will write fourth place will be cell. Now cut this also. And fifth number, give fifth number. Now 2 are left. Now see here again after L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. T is here. T is here. See, set. Third letter. So we will write set here. And the last 1 is left. So 6th will be Sew. Now after writing this, you count the words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 numbers are here also. So this is your correct answer. All right. Same way we arrange the letters in alphabetical order. Now see, here this was the example, so it is given here. C, second. What you now do is to look at the third letter at the word. This I have already told you, and now they have arranged it this way. In case of words beginning with the same letter, we look at the second letter. In the case of word beginning with the same two letters, we look at the third letter. And in the case of word beginning with the same three letters, we look at the fourth letters, and so on. Followed. Words in dictionary and encyclopedias are arranged alphabetically to make it easier for everyone, for you, for me, to find the word that you are looking for. So learning alphabetical order will be convenient for you to see the dictionary. So it's very important that you must learn it. We have looked at only single words. There are different ways of arranging groups of words alphabetically. You will learn more about them as you go up to higher classes. Now see the exercise. We will do 1-2 exercises, and then rest you will do yourself, and I'll send you the image. You will copy from there. See, Bhaskar, Joy, Henry, Alice, Shyam, Kabir. Now all the first letters are different. Followed? So what you will do? You will see your checklist. A alphabet you have written already. So first alphabet is A. Is there any word with A? Any name? Yes. So first place we will write Alice. Then B is there, Bhaskar. C is not there. D is not there. You can see the checklist also. E is there? No. E. Here it is. Then F. No word is there. No name is there with F. G. No name is there with G. H. Yes. See, H is there. So you will write third place, Henry. Alright. Then I. After H, what comes? I. After I comes J. So J is also there. Keep Joy. And then K. After J, K comes. K is also there. So right here, Kabir. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is left? Shyam. So the last will be Shyam. So your work is done. It is arranged alphabetically. Alice, A, B, C, D, E, F is not there. G is not there. H, I is not there. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Finish. 7 names are there. 6. How many names are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 names are there, and you've written the answer also. Arrange the 6 names in alphabetical order. Follow, children. This is how you will do the whole exercise. Let's see what else is given. This page, after doing this page. It's a big exercise and you will enjoy doing it. Do it and then check from the image given. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.